Talk 20, Lung Protection. Today we will talk about our lungs. We usually don't think about them until we have trouble breathing. A cold reminds us of our lungs. But once it passes, we often forget them. We should think more about our lungs. Lungs prevent harmful substances from entering our blood. Air can contain dangerous gases and particles. Our lungs are made of millions of tiny cells. Each cell acts like a filter. Oxygen passes into the blood. Carbon dioxide leaves the blood. But harmful gases can also pass in. Some are very dangerous. That's why we use gas masks or respirators sometimes. There is also dust in the air, everywhere. Lungs can handle normal dust. But very fine, thick dust can cause damage. Most dust is exhaled naturally. Only very light particles reach the smallest cells. This can cause serious problems. The best way to protect lungs is clean air. Control dust and harmful substances at the source. Good ventilation helps a lot. But sometimes ventilation is not enough. Then, respirators or masks are necessary. Respirators protect our lungs. Some people find them uncomfortable. But lungs full of dust are much worse. If the dust is poisonous, it can be very serious. If you are told to use protection, use it. Not using it creates bigger problems. The company studies all dangerous substances. They provide the correct respiratory protection. If management cares about your health, you should care too. Always use respiratory protection when required. You are protecting your own health, not anyone else's.